paano pumasok yung yung project mo na magturo ka ng mga taglangoy swimming sa iba't ibang lugar?
Ano yun? Matagal na yun. It was
It's
last
for
year
free,
pa.
right?
For free. It was last year nung plinano namin. Sabi ko, I want to teach kids how to swim. And then come the Tacloban, the Yolanda typhoon. Na it's really heartbreaking kasi karamihan ng mga namatay dun sa Tacloban is really mga bata. And most of the kids na namatay is because of drowning. Na ang sakit-sakit kasi ang dali mag-survive sa water because lahat naman tayo kahit hindi tayo marunong lumangoy, mag-dog paddle lang tayo. 'Di ba? Like mag-dog paddle ka lang, you'll survive. But because of panicking, because of the typhoon nga, yun yung karamihan na maraming namatay. And it's not only kids, pati mga matatanda pa to any age, 'di ba? It's always the panic that cost lives. And yun yung sabi ko na, okay, I'm gonna do this charity because I want to save lives. And I'm gonna start with the kids. Yung takot mo lang sa tubig, if you can survive that, you can survive any types of typhoon or any types of catastrophe if marunong ka, wala kang takot sa tubig. So, nung nag-start yun, pinaplano namin, nagpaplano, and then came yung mga, yun nga, album, tapos nag-movie, tapos parang nawala siya sa radar nung ginagawa ko. And then,
naurong.
Ano kami nun 5 kami nagpaplano nun. Tapos yung isa doon is my coach nung lumalangoy ako, nung nasa Philippine team ako. And he passed away when I was in London, when I was touring sa Europe. He passed away. So sabi ko, I'm gonna do this now because this is what he wants. Sabi ko, nung time na lumalangoy ako, siya yung isa sa mga tao na nagtitiwala sa akin. Nung mga time na ako mismo nagda-doubt sa sarili ko if I can compete, if I can represent the country abroad. So sabi ko, I'm going to do this summer because it's a perfect time. Maraming bata na on summer vacation. And pipiliin ko yung mga bata na tuturuan ko makalangoy. Yung mga bata na indigents, mga bata na can't afford to pay for their swimming lessons. And I'm going to start there. So, sabi ko, yung first one, I'm gonna start 50 muna because we're starting. Hindi ko naman alam kung ilan yung kaya kong i-handle ng mga students. So, with the help of Berth Luzada Swimming School, nag-tie up ako sa kanila going around cities. So, we started with Dagupan. Kasi Dagupan, it's a coastal city. Surrounded by water din sila. Anytime, if something happens to them, di ba, at least there's 50 kids na I know, na naturuan ko, that can survive any body of water. We're going to our next city, which is Cainta. Hindi ko pa siya actually na-announce. Dito lang muna sa PEP. So, we're going sa Cainta for the second city. Pero after na muna ng concert because I want to focus on the concert first. So, yun. It's really more of giving back, paying it forward kasi sobrang laking binigay sa akin ng swimming. From my scholarship when I was studying to getting to know Jesse Robredo because he's the first one who really trusted me. Siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng scholarship when I was in high school. Third one, giving thanks to my coach, si Coach Kaloy. Kasi siya talaga yung nagbigay sa akin ng tiwala when I was competing abroad. So, yun.
Wala kang para sa amin, mga adults naman. Ba yan?
Gusto mo ba? Gusto mo one-on-one? Kasi
Sige.
feeling ko gusto mo one-on-one. Ayaw mo may mga kasamang iba. Tayong dalawa lang.
Kailan?
What?
Tapos,
So yun, unahin muna natin yung mga bata. Kasi goal ko is 1,000 kids for 2015. So I still have 950 kids to teach. Kapag natapos ko yung 950, ikaw yung pang 1,001.
tagal pa
Would
nun,
that be okay
Chong.
for you?
Tagal naman nun.
Okay.
So, tapos, Kamusta na si AJ? Parang dito na siya nag-showbiz ulit, di ba?
Yeah, si Kuya, actually hindi pa siya umalis, but he's planning to migrate this year. Norway, Oslo. Kasi syempre nandun yung family niya, and they have better healthcare, they have better education, and it's free, everything's free. So he's really planning to migrate. But now, habang nandito pa siya, nasa Bridges of Love siya, tapos he's into vlogging. Sobra, and I didn't realize na sa online ang daming pera. I mean, you should know better because you're online, 'di ba? Ang daming mga pumapasok na produkto na wants a window of a little bit of endorsement here, a little bit of advertising here, a little bit of mention here, and then they'll pay you. And then now, tuwang-tuwa siya sa ginagawa niya kasi he's earning at the same time, he's enjoying, he's getting a lot of free clothes. So, na-enjoy niya talaga yung vlogging.
Hindi alam ng karamihan, parang may kambal ka. Joke lang.
May kambal. Pero wait, babanggitin ko yung
kapatid mong isa.
Si Ice.
Oo.
Mas bata. Pero wait, babanggitin ko muna yung vlog ni Kuya. It's The Philo Dapper. Yun, hanapin nyo na lang. Basta vlog siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung .com or .blogspot. Hindi ko alam eh. Basta The Philo Dapper.
Basta AJ.
Or follow nyo na lang muna siya sa Instagram, The Philo Dapper. Tapos, andun siguro yung link niya. Ata, hindi ko alam.
Bakit Philo Dapper?
Filipino Dapper. Hindi,
Ganon. Okay.
Ganon.
Sirs, ang gagawin ni Enchong ay magpapatugtog kami ng mga sikat na sayo noon at bibigyan niya tayo ng kaunting sample. Okay? Simulan natin sa
Saan?
Macarena.
Okay, sige. Music.